It's you. Look it. Oh. Tell them you're in the training.
What is that for?
Maybe. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, let's send you guys check my hi.
Bye bye. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi. It's going crazy. My eyebrows different? Yeah, this is Mesziah, you're gonna sit by yourself. Or do you want to lay down?
No, he's sitting.
Look at that guy. And JoJo.
I got a little
Zaza.
butt.
Mesziah, you're gonna fall.
Yeah, let me carry you then.
Oh, just put your arm behind me. Just leave him right there. And put your arm here. Talk to them, Angel. Say hi. Say hi. You don't want to say hi? You just want to say hi? You don't 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 want to say hi? Say hi, hi.
Hi.
Going to. Oh yeah. My hair's heck naughty. I need to straighten it over. I shouldn't have cut my hair now that it's short. Remember when it was long? Look at my bangs. How embarrassing.
No, you didn't want that.
Somebody's getting mad? Who's getting mad? No, I know you're not. You're playing around.